Bonjour et bienvenue to my YouTube channel Learn French with Shifa. This video is part 2 of the topic prono-relative simple, the simple relative pronouns. In the previous video, we have learned two options, qui and que, subject versus object. You will find the link of that video in the description box. And now, we have two more options of this topic, où and dont. Où replaces time and place and dont replaces something or someone that comes after de preposition. So you must remember to look for de preposition in the second sentence if you wish to use dont. Right? So let's understand it better with the help of few examples. Où and dont. Now, où replaces time and place, or we can say the Y pronoun, the personal pronoun. Let's see a few examples. C'est mon livre, it is my book. Now we need to see how my book is used in the second case, mon livre. Il y a des images dans mon livre. My book is become a place now because it is coming with dans preposition. So if we replace dans mon livre, the pronoun that we are going to use is Y, and Y replacement is où. So how shall we write this sentence? C'est mon livre où il y a des images, where there are pictures. Deuxième phrase. C'est une maison, it is a house. Now, the house is not given in the later part, but we need to reframe our sentence. Lives my uncle habite mon oncle. Donc, mon oncle habite dans cette maison. My uncle lives in this house. So the house is the place because dans preposition is given. So we will write où habite mon oncle. Third sentence. L'endroit, the place. Le chat dort, the cat sleeps. Et secret is secret. Now one sentence is complete. L'endroit est secret, the place is secret. What is incomplete is le chat dort. Le chat dort à l'endroit. The cat sleeps at that place. So at preposition, a preposition makes the endroit the place, hence OU again. These two examples are used to indicate the time. The day je suis né, le jour je suis né était mercredi. The day I was born was a Wednesday. So the day, we are talking about the day. So time replacement is où. And finally, the evening. Le soir, il est venu me voir. He came to see me. Et gravé dans ma mémoire. I remember it is clearly printed in my memory. So we are talking about the time, the evening. Hence, the answer is où. And now, fourth and final option, dont. Dont replaces the qui or the quoi, as in the preposition with someone or something. First example. C'est un enfant, it is a child. Je suis fier de cet enfant, I am proud of this child. Now, this child is the common noun that we identified in our second case, and the common noun is coming with de preposition. So, it is the key structure, replace it with dont. So, c'est un enfant dont je suis fier. Second, c'est un stylo, it is a pen. J'ai besoin à écrire, I need to write. So, I have need of something, it is an avoir expression, have need of, so that of something, the quoi is dont. Third sentence. La femme tu parles. La femme tu parles est ma voisine. So, la femme is the common noun, is my neighbor. One sentence is complete. Second, tu parles. So, you speak about that lady. Tu parles de cette femme. So, cette femme and the preposition, the key structure, answer is dont. Fourth. Again, fourth and fifth cases, this thing we don't know. Let's see how to tackle these sentences. Do something. Okay, something is that word that we need to look for in the second case. Do something. You have desire. So have desire of something. So what we need after envie is the preposition. And then quelque chose come. So the plus quelque chose means de quoi. So we will write ce dont. Fais ce dont tu as envie. And finally, do something that you dream. So tu rêves. You know that rêver preposition comes with de. Rêver verb comes with de preposition. So you dream of something. Of something, again the structure is de quoi. So we will write dont. Fais ce dont tu rêves. I hope these two parts are helpful to you and you have understood the topic well. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel Learn French with Shifa and I'll see you soon with a new grammar topic. Merci, au revoir et bonne journée.